Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Algo Trader. In this video, we are going to show you our new software called Excel Algo Trader with advanced version, where we have a lot of improvements in our older version comparatively. So we'll just try to go one by one new features which we have added here. Okay. This is a new application. After a long time, we have built a proper working system with new features. I'll just go one by one. Here it's a Excel based algo trading, and it is in real time data, automated strategies, and you'll be getting instant alerts in Telegram and desktop notification. If you can just configure your own Telegram bots so that you will not miss out any alerts. And it is totally a risk free paper trading feature we have introduced without any margins. You can completely do a paper trade with our strategy, and you can just see the live performance, how it works, so that it will boost your confidence on the strategy. Okay. And then we have there is no coding required. It is lively connected with the real time price, volume, and VWAP and open interest data, and it's get automated refresh every second, and it will support up to 250 instruments you can trade at a time. And there is a option called threshold where we will be defining a price range for your purchase, so that you will be like not a victim of price fluctuation. For example, if you are planning to buy a purchase at 100 and you have, we'll just explain how this works. Okay. Then we have trailing stop loss, where you can protect your profits and you can just try to get the more opportunity on profit making trades. And then we have a stop loss and target management, which will get set automatically, and it will be dynamically, we can set it. Okay. Then automate exit and entry. We have a strategy our own we have inbuilt strategy, or if you want to build your own strategies also, it's possible. Okay, we'll just show you how it works. And then real time, as I said, you Telegram notification on all executed orders, stop loss hits, target achieved, or trailing stop loss. All this you will be getting in a alerts on Telegram and desktop notification. Okay. Then paper trade, as I told you, paper trade, and there is a risk management, multiple layered protection combined with stop loss, trailing stop loss, and targets. Okay. This is how it works. And we have historical data backtesting with using the 1 minute candle. This is the thing. And we are integrated as of now only working with Allies Blue, where you can place order, modify order, cancel order instantly using the Excel. This is and it is very user friendly dashboard. It is very easy to use, and you can easily understand the system. Maybe hardly you may take half an hour to understand the application. Okay. And it is useful high frequency traders with ultra fast executions. Okay, this is how it works, and I will just go one by one how it works. First thing is, this is our basic application window, which will be get opened once you click on this tool, Excel Algo Trader. If you click on your main, this tool will get opened. Okay. From here, I'll just show you how it works. First thing is, I'll go for live trade. So I will select option 2, and then I need to type as confirm in capital letters. Okay. Once I select these capital letters confirm, then it will ask for the Telegram configuration. Telegram, you can make a configuration using this 3 option, or you can continue with the enabled Telegram alerts. What I'll do is, I'll just skip and keep the current setting. As already I have set as enabled, I'll just press 4 and enter. Same way, historical data. This data is useful for to get the calculations for our strategies. We use this data, so I just enabled historical data and as well as candle data. If you just want to speed up and you just want to test it, you can just disable these two things, so that if you are not using any historical data or candle data, you can just keep disabled. so that it won't put a load or pressure to the application. Anyways, we need this, so I will have enabled, and I'll just skip it and enter. As soon as I enter, you can see is it is getting loaded. So you can see is it is getting loaded here. Okay, after getting this load data, you can see the MTM as well. You can see this, it is getting MTM loaded, P&L summary, and all the instruments is getting subscribed. I just show you with the Excel. So Excel is also got automatically opened here in background. You can check it out. So this is the main input where we give through Excel. Okay, I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. So the software basically start with this. I'll just go one by one sheet how what and all settings you have to do. It will be automatically updated here. All the in the money options, call options, put options for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And in dashboard we have a settings where you can do the settings. All the green columns which we have mentioned here, you can set the expiry dates. This is for Nifty, Bank Nifty. We are working with this Sensex. As of now, Sensex is not working for us. So only we are working automatically. We are working with this only Nifty and Bank Nifty. Weekly contract, monthly contract, you have to change the dates here, expiry dates, and here you can set the futures date. All the three, May, June, July, May, June, July, Nifty and Bank Nifty. What and all details you mention here, same detail will be added over here. Okay, and this options strikes will be automatically set. Every day it will be keep changing depending on the LTP, closing day, previous day's closing price. We calculate and accordingly we take the call and put options here. This and all, everything automatically it comes. And after this column, you can add any instrument, whichever instrument you want to add, you can just manually add it over here. We have columns up to 250 instrument. You can see here up to 250 instruments. It starts from 0, so it is showing us 249. Okay, so this is how it works. And main dashboard, you have to add the contracts here, set properly, futures date, expiry, month, year, everything you have to set properly. And then in market watch, if you want to trade only Nifty, Bank Nifty options, you can just set it the quantity over here. Here you have an option to set the quantity. As of now we are set with this. Okay, you have set like this, and here you have to just mention start. Here from here X3 column you have to just copy and paste it as a start. Whenever you want to start any new trader, you have to just do this step. And final step, just on this live trade and set the date. You have to change the date accordingly. This only this much is required. Once you do this, then I'll show how the other things will work in background. This is the application. It is all data is loaded here, and this application will keep running and it will trade according to our strategy. So I'll show you how we have set the strategies. This is the strategy sheet which we have here. Okay, for Nifty, Bank Nifty, we have different strategies. We are given it as here. You can see volatility expansion, momentum index, support and reversal, trend continuation. Okay, like this we have set the strategies name. And for every options we have set 4 different strategies. If you want to trade in put options, one trade we have given as momentum breakout, and second we have set as second strategy like this. Same way you can change it accordingly. For example, now if I change here, see it is showing a support reversal. If I change it to 1, how it will be? It will become momentum breakout. If I change it to 3, then it will change the trend continuation. If I make it 4, you can see it is changed with the volatility expansion. Okay, and same, even you can see the buying and selling levels, it will change. Say for example, now if I make it 2 and tab, then 77.95 will become 122.70 paisa. Like this it keep changing. Okay, so we are trying to trade with different strategies for different strikes. In a day, maximum two strategies you can apply for two different strikes with different put option 2 and call option 2. Like this you can make a pair trade and you can just go with that. Okay, once you make a payment and take our service, in detail we'll be explaining how it works. Okay, so as soon as we place here, orders will get executed, and whatever orders are getting executed, those things you can check it in our tool. This is the Excel algo trade analysis tool, where all the trades, what and all trades is going to happen in the system, it will keep recording here. Okay, and this will be stored, and daily wise you can open it and you can just check it out how these things was working. And we have a, as I told you, we have a paper trade option also, and here also you can set the filter using the live trade or a paper trade. Say for example, I'll just filter it out all the trade. Okay, I'll just check it out paper trade. Here you can see there was no paper trade we have done, and I'll filter it with live trade. You can see it will get load here. You can see everything was live trade, and you can see the dates also. This was the last day, or with the 5th of May, and remaining in all you can see here everything was done on 23rd May. Okay, all the trades were done on 23rd May, and same thing you can check it over the broker system also. You can see this, everything was done with the broker terminal. I just want to make a cross check so that you will get the confidence how the orders will get placed. Okay, we'll go with the timings here. You can see here, you can see date wise I'll filter it out, today's trade, and apply, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, yeah, now it is opened. You can see here, you can match with the time also. 9 o'clock 48 minutes, 9 o'clock 48 minutes. Okay, as soon as the order get placed, it will get executed. Even you can see here 9 o'clock 52 minutes, 9 o'clock 52 minutes, 10 o'clock 6 minutes, 10 o'clock 6 minutes, 10 o'clock 7 minutes, 10 o'clock 7 minutes, 10 o'clock 13 minutes, 10 o'clock 13 minutes. Maybe you can see maybe 3-4 seconds it may get delayed to record the data over here, but we will try to get the same orders. Okay, it will be almost in the real time. You can see here 10 o'clock 16 minutes 20 seconds. You can see 10 o'clock 16 minutes 19 seconds, 1 minute delay. 10 o'clock 16 minutes 37 seconds, 10 o'clock 60 minutes 40 seconds, 3 seconds delay. 10 o'clock 21 8 seconds. You can see here 10 o'clock 21 minutes 2 seconds, 6 seconds delay. 10 o'clock 21 10 seconds, 10 o'clock 21 11 seconds, so almost 1 second delay. This is how it works, and all the trades were marketplace. Even you can see buy and trade is happened here, 24,500 buy, 24,500 sell. Okay, 24,500 buy and 24,500 sell. You can match with the price. 150 quantity bought at 405.70 paisa, and it was sold at 422.60 paisa. Accordingly 2,535 was a profit. But the issue is we are done with a zero balance in the broker. That is the reason here it is what rejected. If we had a balance, this order could have passed. Okay, I hope you got an idea how broker will place an order. Okay, you can match any orders here. You can see last order also, 10 o'clock 57 minutes 5 seconds, 10 o'clock 57 minutes 6 seconds. So it is almost matching here with proper data, and the total profit according to our strategy was this one, 36,776. How many trades we done? 8 options trading. So almost per trade we were in a profit of around 4,600. You can see there almost 4,597 rupees was a per trade profit. And same way hourly analysis also you can get the data here. First this was the old data. Okay, today's here you can check it out here. It was almost 37,288 rupees. Everything was booked at around 10 o'clock trade. Okay, same thing you will be getting in detail. If you want to check it over here, you can see this. Okay, so everything you can see today's data, today's trade, everything you have done one lot. See here, you have not done multiple trades, or generally in algo people will trade 5 lots, 10 lots, 20 times like that. The trades will get continuously repeated. After that complete repeated trades, they will see some small profits. But here what we do is, it's getting single trade on different strikes with different strategies, and it will be having a different timing for entry and exit. Okay, so completely well organized and well coded application with well working strategy. Okay, this is how it works. And then you can see this, the connection is always correctly working and there won't be any connectivity issues. Everything will be working smoothly. Okay, and this is the one part, and the other part is I just wanted to show you how the trailing stop loss works. This is the market watch where we can place a trailing stop loss and with a threshold difference. So if you put a two difference, it will try to suppose if you have a buy at 100 rupees, buy above 100, and if you place a order at 2 rupee difference, so if the LTP goes above 100 and in between 1 or 2, whatever best price is there, it will get placed. Okay, if it will not jump to 106 or 108, the system will not place a buy order. It will be wait for that range. That range we can set it over here. For the options we are all set for 2 points. Okay, at least 2 point buffer we can keep it and we can do a trade. Even in 5 points also we can keep a buffer, but for safety purpose we have just mentioned 2 points. Same way here we have an option called trailing stop loss. If you want to trail the stop loss, you can trail the stop loss according to the points. Suppose 100 rupees you are purchasing and 10 points you have given a trailing stop loss. So after 100 rupees purchase, the initial stop loss will be 90. As soon as it goes to 101, the stop loss will modify from 90 rupees to 91 rupees. This is how it works, so that it's always in our favor. Okay, suppose the market is going to our favor, it will keep trailing the stop loss so that we will not make a losses. Today's trade I will show you, and I will show you how the stop loss was worked. Here you can check it out here. Here we have a exit type is stop loss. You can see it is showing us a stop loss, but still we have made a profit of 2,655 rupees because of trailing stop loss. Okay, same way here you can see this was also a trailing stop loss where we made around 1353 profit. Here it was a trailing stop loss, and you can see the points just 20 paisa. You can see this, just 20 paisa it was in our favor, and then but still we are not made any losses, we have not booked any losses. 30 rupees. The system how it works is, either if you use this strategy, either you will make a big profit or you will make a small profit, but you will not be in a big losses. This is how the system is built. Okay, and then you can see here this is also stop loss, but still 2535 is a profit. Almost all the trades were in a stop loss itself, but even though it was a stop loss, it was a trailing stop loss, because of which we were ending up with profit. And you can see this targets, how many trades we wanted to target. You can see here till the target it was keep trailing, and we have reached with the target. This one also target, this is also target. See here you can see the number. When the target is hitting, you are getting 9,900, even 9,000 here, 9,000 here. Okay, this is how. And if the stop loss is getting hit, at least 2,000, 1,000, even 30 rupees, 50 rupees also, it will be in a profit. This will definitely save your hard earned money, and this tool will definitely boost your confidence in the market. Okay, this much I can assure you. Okay, I hope you got this idea how the tools will work and how the new tool is there. And these are all different tool. I mean, we have options created here, and everything is bug free. We have well tested this software, and there is no errors and there is no bugs, and it is all working application we are providing, and it's very affordable price. You can visit our website over here. You will be getting the details of this product. Okay, this is our website, Excel Algo Trader. If you go to excelalgotrader.in, here if you click on buy now, you will be getting this product at 7,999. This is the price where you will get all this, and it is a totally lifetime. Once you make a payment, you will be getting this tool for a lifetime. Okay, and we will be installing you, and we will be giving you lifetime support. Also, we have a Telegram alert. Once you set the alerts, I'll just show you how this works. You can see it here, all the transactions what and all today's happened. You can see here every second you will be getting an alert. By time I can show you. Here you can see this 10 o'clock 52 seconds, 10 o'clock 50 seconds, 10 o'clock 50 seconds, sorry, 10 o'clock 15 minutes, sorry, this is not second, 15 minutes. Okay, everywhere you can see how many alerts we are getting. Even the trailing stop loss or target is trade is closed, trailing stop loss is updated. Okay, new order placed, everything you will be getting. You can see here trade close, trailing stop loss, trade close, target, trailing stop loss update. Okay, even though if the market is jumping up with small points also, it will keep trailing the stop loss. You can see this exit trader, like this. All these alerts will be getting. Even though if you are a working profession, this tool will definitely help you using the paper tool. If you use a paper trader, and then if you use this Telegram, then you can be connected with the market. Even if you are a working profession, and or even if you are in travel, you can use this tool, and definitely this will be a best friend for your trading. Okay, I hope you got an idea how the things will work. Next video I am going to show you other tools where other features in detail how the things will work. If you like our software, you can just go to this website and you can make a payment. You can just click on add to cart and make a payment. Once you make a payment, you will be getting a option where you can download this software from here. Okay, here you will be getting the option to download the application. It will ask for the login. You can just log in and you can download it. Okay, this is how it works. If you have any queries, you please reach out to my WhatsApp number. I'll be in the WhatsApp. I won't be able to pick the calls, but please ping me in WhatsApp so that I can respond to you immediately.